What's up, guys? It's been a while. There's a lot to talk about. Just a lot of good stuff. Recapping last year and a lot of stuff moving forward this year. And we'll talk about that stuff, but not today. Today we're gonna do an unboxing of some New Era caps. And I've had this idea for a little bit. And we have a big drop here, and it's stuff I haven't even seen yet. You know, doing a little bit of unboxing therapy here. There's videos of, enthusiasts unboxing different stuff, and so I figured it would be cool to do an unboxing as a designer who designed this stuff, gets it made somewhere else by someone else, just kind of going through that experience together here. With that said, we'll see how it turns out. I don't know. The good news is that New Era's, their reputation precedes them. They're reliable, they bring consistent quality. So yeah, let's just get going here. All right. And eventually we want to do more of this. This is kind of impromptu. We are currently getting a new office. We're doing a lot of stuff right now, so I'm kind of just filming it, running and gunning here. So yeah, I'll kind of show you how these hats come. That's what we're dealing with. All right, what do we got first? Well, I know what I want to show you first. Yeah. This isn't a new design or color, but it's a new style. There you go. The all black 950. New Era snapback. All right. Tonal flag. Tonal everything. All right. Yep. People been asking for a snapback of this, and you gotta do it. So that's the first. We're also restocking the fitted. So all black fitted, and the snapper, of course. Okay. So restock, new style, first one's up. This next one is a new design, a new hat, and I have not seen what this is gonna look like. So here we go. Okay. Yep. Introducing the Westside Script on a hat. Clean. All right. We got the white New Era flag, and new to the back of the hat is the Westside Love standard logo. Oh yeah. Yep. Okay. This is good. This is good. See, New Era makes it fun because they bring consistent quality. Other unboxings of other product can sometimes not be this smooth or fun. All right. Joining the snapback is the Westside Script fitted. Yeah, man. Yes, sir. That is very nice. That's a clean lid. That's a clean lid. We got the snapback and the fitted. New to the lineup. You saw it first. Lastly, the grand finale. Okay. We've wanted to do this hat for years, and a lot of you have asked for it. Here it is, right here in this box. Can't show you yet, 1 second. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Okay, here it is. There it is. Look at that again. It is nailed. Yes. This was a good unboxing. We're lucky. We're lucky. Yes, I'm beyond pumped. This came out great. That's a great looking cap. All right, guys. Hopefully by the time you see this, the hats are up. They should be up. That's it. That's our first unboxing of caps, and boy, was it a good one. It was a good one. Cool. Word up, guys. Holler in the comments if you have any questions. Happy to answer them. And we will catch up more soon. I think this video is probably going to drop before our kind of 2020 recap and 2021 forecasts. So, yep. Thanks for joining. Peace.